Hello everyone, and welcome to Education That Works. Today, I'll show you how to register to events. So, from the main page here, we'll go on these 3 lines, open it, and we will go under career. We could go under co-op as well, but more events are posted under career. So, career, we select this here, go to events and workshops, click on it. Now, we choose one. So let's go to this rapid resume review. Click on it. And then here you are able to see a brief overview of the event. And then registration required, yes, location online. So sometimes if it's an online event, the link for the event will be in the description here. And if the link is not here, once you register, you will receive an email with the link to join the event online. So now you just have to click register for event, click on it, and then now you're registered. And if you would like to cancel registration, you just go here and click cancel registration. So that's it for today. In the next video, I will show you how to filter job postings under career. Thank you so much.